Monday, 8th April 2024. Annunciation of the Lord. Focus. Behold, I have come to do your will, O God. When doing a complex jigsaw puzzle or building a tall structure using Lego, we realize how important each piece is, and that the significance of each tiny part will only be clear at the end. God's plan for our salvation and His presence with us was foretold by Isaiah and fulfilled when Mary said yes. As the second reading suggests, no animal sacrifice could take away sin. Only God, in the form of Jesus, could do that. In all this was foretold, what can I, a human being, do? I realize I am like a tiny Lego piece. Mary's simple yes was probably the action of the biggest significance that any person could ever do. It restored whatever was lost and made it possible for us to see God in all His glory grace the earth. I am not Mother Mary, but in my own small way, I can build on God's plan and instruction like the little Lego piece, knowing and loving Jesus because I delight to do your will, O my God. Your law is within my heart, leads me to proclaim His steadfast love and faithfulness to the great congregation. It helps fulfill God's plan for all to attain salvation in Jesus. Fruit. Let us open our hearts today, saying, Here I am, Lord, I come to do your will and promote the building of God's kingdom.